Got a pretty easy driveway cleaner right here. It's not too dirty at all. The drive out here is probably longer than what it'll actually take for me to clean it. Nice, good flow. What kind of trees are these? Look at these like banana things hanging. Rotten bananas. Alright, it's 12:26, so let's see what time we finish at. Water is filled. Do now here is just make sure we hit everything fairly well, and this will help get up any of those lines. Let's see, this is how I feel like the floor should be, but then it's like it dies off. This will help get some of the water out of the tank as well. I swear there's one right there. Like a bike or something, like somebody's bicycle. It looks like bike tires or something. But it was weird, it wasn't showing before. I think, I don't know, I have to look at the video. This gives time for that pump to rinse out too, because usually about like 5 minutes is ideal. Check the time for y'all. It's 1:36. It'll be a little bit easier. Oh yeah, it looks so much better. See now that the sun's hitting it. Yeah, I think I want to always start doing like a little video clip where I'm like this. And then I go. Alright y'all, I appreciate everybody joining and watching. I was just pressure washing this driveway right here. Everything came out good. Like and comment below what you think about this job and what you would have done different. And we're about to cut off this water to the tank because it's finally at the level so I can drive away now. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you watched the whole thing, if you only caught bits and pieces, let me know which parts you enjoyed. And catch me on the next job, everybody. Peace.